Today we're gonna test multiple different ways to stop a cannon. We're gonna try magnets, Legos, a bulletproof vest, a mannequin. We put some baseballs in the cannon. We put some gloves on the people. Need I say more? Do you think this is the first time a baseball has ever been fired from a cannon? Can't be. Hey Chandler, what's that? Need to look. Whoa.
The legs are standing.
Did the glove catch it?
No way. I very much doubt.
Did the gloves broke? Did it go through the glove?
Kind of
Dude.
Wow.
Found a baseball.
Oh wow.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, here it is.
Oh my goodness.
It's still perfect. Hold on, let's see.
That is a crispy.
Is that what it
baseball.
smells like, popcorn?
Terrible.
Is that what popcorn?
Ooh, man, that smells bad. Smell it.
This is legit real bulletproof glass. I'm actually curious if we'll stop this cannon.
You don't think that the bulletproof glass can take a cannonball,
No, it's a cannon.
but you think so.
Yes,
Oh,
please.
get back! It's right there! It's right there!
Whoa, whoa. Yo, the bulletproof glass beat the cannonball. Dude, here's the cannonball.
So I'm confused. Why didn't Blackbeard just have bulletproof glass?
I know, right? Easy. We're watching the slow-mo, guys.
Watch.
Oh!
Nice shot. That makes you like jump. It's
I know.
coming right at you.
I love it.
Bulletproof glass can stop a cannon, but can a bulletproof vest? Let's say you become a cop one night and the guy robs a convenience store and he comes out with a cannon. Is your vest going to protect you? I will answer that. Well, by me, I mean Brandon. I'm just here for the ride. We will answer it together because we're a power couple.
Whoa. Wow.
How many?
Oh my gosh, look!
We caught it.
Drink.
Look at this beauty.
If you had a chest made out of steel, you'd be fine. It's a cardinal feather. That's a leaf.
The state bird.
That's a leaf.
That's the state leaf. Let him.
You know, they only come around once a year.
Yeah, they do.
Eat it and I'll give you $1,000.
What'd you say?
Never mind.
Do it.
Guys, we're going hot.
We're going hot. I'm ready.
You're ready. Whoa, you are ready.
Hey Chandler, high five. High five. Where's
Oh, you missed it.
Oh, wow.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
that was beautiful.
Good thing we got all
that's
this
beautiful.
biodegradable confetti.
This right here is Manny, and he's very self-conscious of the fact that he can't grow hair. It makes him Chandler.
Don't talk about him. He said he's self-conscious.
Stop being a bully. So to make him feel better, we're gonna take this wig, we're gonna cram it in the cannon, and then we're gonna put a lot of that black powder stuff, and then we're gonna shoot it at his head, and hopefully that allows him to feel more confident in his own skin.
You look like the dude off of iRobot, honestly. You know Will Smith?
Well, 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 boys, we meet again. Going hot!
Oh, going hot, guys, going hot.
Oh,
All right, let's do it.
Oh my god.
wow.
Boom.
Oh
my god! That was a wig.
I did not expect that to happen.
Dude, right in the chest. Look at that.
He's just got an eye left. That's it.
Oh, where's that GoPro though? Oh, it's still working.
No way.
Sick.
Hit it with the cannon. This is for all you people who ever lost money to a victim. I got revenge. Perfect. Guys, if a vending machine ever steals money from you, hit it with the cannonball. Your vending machine didn't work. I accidentally broke it. I'm gonna clean it up and take care of it, okay?
Sure.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
It's not starting. Blow it up as well. All right, boys. We're gonna show this car who's boss. Go, go, run!
That was kind of cool.
Yeah, that was pretty dope.
I got one more.
No,
I got one more.
One more. That's way too much. That's way too much.
Whose cannon made the most amount of damage?
Mine.
Cannon, is this your cannon? You really yeeted the yeet cannon.
Dude, mine went all the way through
My
it.
cannonball is right here.
That's your cannonball?
Yeah.
They didn't even make it to the car.
Hit the door.
Oh my gosh. You can't even get in this passenger door. Look at this.
That's dope.
I really can't stop bullets.
We got an exit wound.
Dude. I like that. That just literally.
Look, you can see right there where it went through.
Okay, Jimmy. Okay, let me get a high view.
Wow.
Okay, Jimmy.
Now we're gonna see if a Lego wall can stop a cannonball. Let's do this. Cannon guys ready?
You just fire cannons and look hot.
Yeah. Just take your shirt off, why don't you?
Oh!
Don't need to wait.
Oh!
You just-
Oh my
why don't
god,
you
you can see the actual ball on this.
There it is.
Oh! Right in the
It
GoPro.
just clipped the top.
Just clipped
Very
it.
nice.
That's gonna look good on the GoPro. Or not. We'll see right here.
I've been struggling with cell phone service, so we're gonna see if shooting it at a wall out of a cannon fixes that. Get it, sexy boy. Good timing.
Did it go over? Wow. No, it didn't. It just annihilated it.
It's literally in there.
Are you serious?
Wow.
Wow.
I bet it still works.
Unscathed.
Hot?
Hey.
Kia the unvirgin.
Hey, Dad. Oh, thanks. It works now. Thanks, guys. This is a fridge. This is a cannon. This is alphabet, numbers, and letters.
Alphabet, numbers, and letters? Isn't the alphabet letters? This is very special to me. I love this.
You know that, bud?
What if it smells something on the fridge?
It burned an O on it. No, A. What?
Wait, the A?
And a U.
And an E. Look, an E.
Guys, if your alphabet magnets aren't working, just shoot them with the cannon. Here's the new game plan. This is a cannon. It's about this wide. That wide fits right there. So we're gonna slide that cannon in here. Will it work, Brandon?
We're doing what?
We need a third.
Oh my gosh.
You got a third. We need a third. You got it.
Oh,
What is this, Chandler?
A cannon.
And what is it inside of?
a cannon.
Cannon.
We have no idea what's gonna happen. Like, this literally might explode.
Might.
Probably will explode.
So we should back away. Like
Yeah.
a lot away.
This is so dangerous that we're actually sitting in a U-Haul and watching it through these mirrors.
Alright, that's our front row seat viewers.
Oh wow, fuse is lit.
We can't find the cannon.
Yo, where did the cannon go? Oh my goodness.
The cannon, like, disappeared. Oh,
You got to be kidding
All
me.
the way over here.
How many yards do y'all think that is?
at least 3.
I think it's 3 plus 25.
20. So 20.
Dude, that is the cannon right here. And that's where we shot it
Oh
at.
my god.
We have 50,000 magnets, a watermelon, and a cannon. So yeah, we're gonna see if these 50,000 magnets can catch a cannonball midair. So here's Big Chungus, and this is a 40-pound cannonball. I'm scared. I don't want to break it.
And you give it to Chandler? Yeah, he's already broken half the stuff. Oh god.
The oven is ready.
All right, it's good. Fire it.
I'm excited. I like cannons.
We're about to shoot the cannon. It's fitting to bust.
Dude, Tariq's so scared right now. Look at Tariq.
Why am I doing this? Oh boy, I'm terrified.
I'm scared.
Oh man,
Did we hit it?
it did not stop it.
The watermelon and the magnets couldn't stop it?
What?
Let's get a closer look. Did you like having a cannon ram through you?
Yes.
The 50,000 magnets didn't catch it out of the cannon, so maybe if I throw it slower, it will.
It got 1, 2.
Oh Jesus.
Chandler, your turn. Are you sure?
Yes.
Unleash it.
What?
No holding back.
Use more than 1% of your power.
2%.
Man, you left an actual dent. Don't underestimate dumb strength.
You see that?
Hey, Logan, pull at me.
What is it? Chandler's left a dent. Yours didn't.